Hey guys, this is Rambo S, and today this is just a quick video to show you guys my robot that I have built using a Raspberry Pi. It took me about a year or so, and I'm definitely not done, but I pretty much got it to a working state, and I'd like to give you a little demo. So what I've done is, I've put two motors on that I can control and get the robot to turn around and move forwards and backwards. I'm controlling this using a wireless keyboard. So pretty easy, convenient controls. I've also put on an arm that I can swing around like this. I can lift up and pull down. And of course at the end of the arm is a little grabber that I can grab stuff with. So there's a pen on the floor there. I can try and come into the right distance. That looks right, and then lower my arm, position it. Yep. Oop, missed. Well, yeah. Other than my inability to control the robot, I think this is pretty good. And I'm pretty sure that he should be able to pick up the pen. Oops. Well, this is proving harder than it looks, but okay, let's try this again. Okay, now drag it across to the center of the pen, almost at the center of gravity. Yay! Oh great, I locked the arm. Well, and then I should be able to also let go. Then I can swing it up. Oh, that's quite a nice position to store the arm in, actually. That way it doesn't get in the way while I'm trying to do stuff. If I store it like that or something. So yeah, he can quite comfortably wander around. Pretty quick on the motion. I mean, nothing weak about it, and it's only two 0.8 amp motors running from a 5-cell nickel hamidite battery. So it's nothing great on the power system, really cheap and really effective. And the robot weighs about 750 grams-ish. So pretty heavy too. I'm really happy with the power system. The servos are also well powerful enough to turn the arm. Obviously I've limited the speed to this, otherwise they would go too fast and kind of cause jerky movements. Well, now I've just got the arm stuck, but that's just because I moved it too far back. But yeah, so that works. And what I've also fitted, I don't know whether you can see that, it's just kind of behind the arm there. It's an ultrasound sensor. Maybe if I move the camera in a little bit. There you go, see, there's a little ultrasound sensor there. And what I've programmed that so it does work, and it can sense distances. So that way I haven't yet implemented that to prevent collisions, but I do plan to do that, and I also plan to hopefully get it to be able to navigate a maze. So yeah, it's pretty messy on the electronics point of view. I mean, you can see the wires kind of going everywhere. I do also want to buy a breadboard for it, that way I wouldn't have the wires all over the place. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If I can see, I'm using 9-gram servos. And nothing simple. I think that's a piece of Airfix plastic sort of stuff. Nothing great with that. And I'm using one bigger, I think standard size servo or something like that. I think that's got like 3 centimeters of torque. I never remember these servo units. I mean, really it should be Newton meters, but yeah, well, yep. And this is the battery. It's 1,600 milliamp hours, and it puts out peak voltage of 7.4 volts. The motors can run up to 9, so they're getting good power from that. And you can see I've actually used pen caps here to connect the servo thing, to connect the motor shaft to the wheels. That was one of the hardest parts of the build, actually, because I wasn't able to get a reliable connection that didn't break under stress. And yeah, I've used a servo Pi board there to control all the servos from my Pi. It interfaces using an I2C bus. And I've also used a motor controller, which is a simple PWM, and it's a H-bridge, I'm pretty sure. Controls both motors from that and takes power from this battery. The Raspberry Pi itself takes power from this phone charging battery down there. And that gives it a constant 5 volt supply. I'm also interested in buying a BEC for this, a battery eliminator circuit, so that I don't need this battery and I can power it from this one with a constant 5 volts. Because obviously I can't give 7.4 volts to my Pi. That would blow it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. And there's my robot. I just wanted to show you guys what I've got so far. I hopefully will be posting some more videos of new developments, upgrades, whatever else I've done with it. Well, this was Rambo S. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel.